Good afternoon. It's 1 p.m. Day 6. I'm in Mysuru. Yesterday, as you guys know, we got caught up in heavy rains while returning from Udupi to Mysuru. So most of the journey I couldn't connect the media mode and mic, but I believe you would have liked the videos. It was a good journey. Extreme traffic in Coorg due to the long weekend, so we saw too much traffic and took us a bit more time than anticipated. Then also I went to see my kid in my wife's place in Mysuru, and she came with me to my parents' place. She's at home now, so I wanted to leave early in the morning today and come back tomorrow to pick my family from Mysuru to Bangalore. But as my wife is in my home now, I'll go to Bangalore, get my car to Mysuru immediately. So it's 1 p.m. I'm hoping I'll be back. I'm hoping I'll reach Bangalore by 3:15, and then if I start by 4, I'll be back by 6 to home in Mysuru, and tomorrow I'll return to Bangalore again. This will be a good ride. I'll go via Kanakapura road. It is quite scenic. I hope you'll like the scenery en route. I'll need to refuel as well. Let's see how the ride goes. I'll keep you all posted. It is Chamundi Hills, the famous Chamundi Hills of Mysuru, and during the Dasara period it would be quite decorated if we go on top. I'm taking the ring road of Mysuru to join the Kanakapura road. So two-wheelers are not allowed on the expressway, so I'll have to take this route. This is good. You will see a lot of bikers. Even during weekends, many people come for the breakfast ride to this route. There are a lot of nice mountains near Kanakapura. Google Maps is saying 2.5 hours for me, so I should reach my home by 3:30 p.m. Let's see if I can go non-stop or if I'll have to take a tiny pit stop somewhere. I'll try to go non-stop so I can come back to Mysuru in my car before sunset. Deviation here. This is Mysuru Kanakapura highway. Today I'm riding solo, so I'm using the cruise control more. If you are riding with a partner, then you'll have to manage the pace depending on the other person, so couldn't use cruise control much in the last 5 days, but today I'll try to use cruise control a bit. It's convenient to go in 80 km/h on this road. I'll need to refuel as well. I'll keep an eye for a BP petrol pump. This is the only trip for which I have mostly used BP. Otherwise, since I bought the bike, I've been using XP95 Indian oil. For some reason, I'm getting a feeling that the mileage is on lower side these days after the 20% ethanol mix. So I'm trying BP out, and experience has been good till now. Let's see, in between I'll use Indian oil for another breakfast ride and double check the mileage, and then decide if I'll continue with speed or the XP95. Let's see. For now, another 2 hours 15 minutes to go. Route is scenic. I'll keep the camera on when we see the beautiful hills of Kanakapura. For now, let's go. Traffic is not so high, so it is good, but road is windy, so I forgot to wear my earplugs. Okay, I just remembered. I will stop and wear the earplugs. I think it's not a good habit not to wear earplugs. It can damage the ears. I was wondering why I'm hearing so much noise. I thought it is windy, but I just remembered I forgot to wear the earplugs. I'll stop in shade and I'll wear it. Probably I'll wear it here. And let's see, I'll stop for a bit. Starting the ride again. Yeah, so as I was saying, Kanakapura road is a single road. Traffic is not much today, probably because it's an odd hour Friday afternoon. So it's convenient, not a problem. We are crossing a town called Bangalore. Bangalore is famous for the sheeps and even the meat from the sheeps, mutton. This is quite famous. Even Bangalore palau, biryani, these are all famous dishes. I have a plan in my mind to make a video series of famous breakfast spots around Bangalore, visiting each of them once a week on weekends. That probably would be my next video series. I hope this 6-day ride videos get some traction, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I thoroughly enjoyed the ride. It was a great experience. I will make a video for sure for beginners, right? For people who intend to do moto vlogs. I have a lot of learning. I bought the bike in March. Now we are in October. I had the GoPro with me since April, but I am using it for the very first time because there were a lot of overthinking that I had in my mind, trying to figure out things before doing the first ride, which I believe were unnecessary. So my learnings will definitely help aspiring moto bloggers. I will make a video and I hope it will encourage you to make your vlog immediately. See, I see a BP petrol pump. Let's see if he has speed available with him. I see another one on the other side of the road. Let's see if we have speed. I'll refuel here. If not, we'll find the next one. Speed idya? Speed idya? Okay, great. Allu idya speed? Ibru kadita idira ellogli. Speed idya ee kadeno? Speed idya? Okay, I think they have some allowance. That's why all are keen. Anyway, let's see. We'll tank up here. We'll calculate the mileage and then we'll go further towards Bangalore. 28.85. Odo says 29.7. Okay, not bad. 968 kilometers already in the trip. Another 100. So all in all, it will be 1070 kilometers. My biggest ride since I got this bike, and I did not have a bike for 9 years since I sold my RC390 in 2015. So good start. I hope I can continue doing such rides and continue doing good moto vlogs. Okay, let's see. 1 hour 50 minutes to go. I will mostly do cruise control at around 80 kmph today. As I always say, ride safe, remember your family is back home. Also live every mile that you ride, soak it all in. Let's see, we are crossing Bangalore. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm now crossing the town of Madavalli. It's a bigger town on this route. There is a tiny deviation, so I took a right connected to this road. What route is this? And after 750 meters I'll need to take a left to go towards Kanakapura. If we go straight, I think it goes towards Ooty, not sure. Let's keep an eye for the board. Let's see where this road goes, what highway this is. Straight is Madavalli, right is Talakadu, left is Kanakapura, where we will go. Straight is Chamarajanagara, Kullegala. Okay. Kanakapura is 46, Bangalore is 107, but my home is just 80 kilometers from here. Let's take the left, and we are exiting Madavalli now. Road from here I know is quite good. I think it's a tolled road that starts after Kanakapura village. In any case, road is quite good. It will be a coast till my home. Another 1 hour 12 minutes to go. We have crossed 1000 kilometers in this ride. 1001.5. Okay, I was also doubting if it will reset after 999. That is not the case. So nice, you can capture the distance of your entire trip. Okay, look at the hills there, quite good. There is a place called Mutati. We had gone there for a breakfast ride once. You should try that out. It's so scenic. If you go early in the morning, probably around 7, it's very good. One of the best rides I've done. It's a short distance, especially from my home. It was like 60-ish kilometers. I think it is somewhere there around those mountains. You'll see river Kaveri, and the route itself is very scenic. You will definitely enjoy. It's 2:23 PM. It is quite sunny, but I am not feeling much. I use mesh jacket, mesh pant, and dark visor. I don't know if it is visible. I'm able to see. So it is quite convenient. If we go towards the left, I think it will go to Kanakapura. We are going on bypass of Kanakapura. Look at the sheer number of trees. Yeah, beautiful. If you ever on this road, there is this place called Pakashala. When you exit Kanakapura, you will find around that place. My recommendation, don't stop here. Very low quality food. Better you continue, and you will find some good places like Wedge Gate, Udupi, even MTR. When you are near to the nice road, you will reach there in 30 minutes from here. So better go there for a better quality food. Here is one big hospital nearby Kanakapura town. Dr. Chandramma Dayanand Sagar Institute. I believe this is a government aided hospital and college as well. If you know someone who is financially not so well and needs some medical care. These guys offer some schemes which will enable them to get treatment, I think with very low cost. So you can keep it in mind if any of your house help require any medical treatment, they can avail from here. I'm 12 minutes away from home, this being my first big ride in this bike, and also I'm attempting motovlog for the very first time. It was a very pleasant 6 days of ride, 5 days to be honest. This is the 6th day. I'm coming back from my parents' home to my home. All in all, excellent experience. I hope you all like the motovlog. Being my first one, definitely there will be scope for improvement, which I'll try to improve. I'll give as much valuable details as possible in the description. I'll definitely make at least 2 videos based on my experience of the ride, the gears that I used, the camera setup I used, and all the learnings that I have had. It will come in handy for you if you plan to do your own motovlog, or if you plan to go on multi-day trip. It will be useful in both the scenarios. Do keep an eye, and please do follow me, subscribe the channel. It will be a good motivation for me to make more videos. We will keep in touch. Thank you all for your time, for your valuable time that you have given in watching these videos. Please share your thoughts on the comments. Do share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Thanks again. I thoroughly enjoyed this ride. I hope you did too. Until next time, bye bye for now.